It then went and pulled the other domains that were tied to the individual that registered this domain, a Bennett Bailey, and it also qualified it as a fake persona, which I thought was pretty interesting. It's got fake information on the address and the phone number. I'm sure, if I wanted to, I could interrogate it more deeply on like, hey, what caused you to think this was fake? But it really highlighted that flixtrend.net email server. And it looks to be some type of disposable email server, something stood up by threat actor or a series of threat actors. But there's, in addition to the Steam targeting domains that were registered, via this alias, there's another 1,000 or so domains recently registered, all using the same registrar, Cloudflare name servers targeting Steam, Valorant, Roblox, crypto, all the high notes, for a threat actor of this type. And again, I just started just with a singular domain and said, hey, why don't you tell me about it? It then went on to tell me like, hey, here's some OPSEC errors that I was able to exploit. The disposable email domain, the repeated fake registrant data, temporal clustering, so the burst registration within 2-day windows that I thought to be really interesting. And then it came along and gave me some recommended actions, block these things or alert on these things, report to these teams, don't block these Cloudflare IPs because it's shared hosting. There's a lot of collateral damage there. So it's got a good amount of context from the reverse pivot counts that are coming in for those IPs.